I-10 intersection closed, entrance closed.
It's snowing
Where?
in Tucson, and it never snows here.
I saw a bunch of Facebook posts about it being snowing out, and I was like, it's just raining. What are you talking about? And then we go further down the street, and now it's snowing. See it? You're not on the camera, but there's a flurry. Oh my god, it's snowing.
It's exciting.
Yeah.
Sure, people are like, yeah.
Ah! I was all, people are lame. They're posting on Facebook it's snowing, and now I'm all excited about it.
It's funny. This is pretty crazy. I can't remember last time it snowed like this year.
Easter? That 1 year, like forever ago?
We actually got a ton of snow.
Snow, bitches. Weird. Oh, it's snowing so hard right now. Oh my god, I've never seen snowfall before.
February 20th.
God, it's crazy. I think this is like literally my first time seeing snowfall, like falling. So cool.
They're like Russia.
Snow! I left my food in the thing.
Wait, where's your food at?
This is pretty much like the coolest thing that's happened. It's so nice.
Yeah,
and
it is.
I'm in a towel, by the way. I just got out of the shower.
Look
Brandon's on
the
his
roof
lunch
over
break. Where?
there. There's snow sticking on the roof.
On their roof? You can't really see anything because oh, there we go. I think the fence is the coolest.
We'll let the blinds go so we're actually.
Oh! I love it. Love it! Loving the snow. It's been snowing for like an hour now. Which is, if you live in Tucson, extremely odd because it never snows here. Whoa! That was scary. I thought the bag was gonna break.
Yeah, I remember last time it snowed like Easter. I think I was in middle 8th grade.
Yeah, it snowed like
And
7
it
years ago.
stuck, and you're actually able to throw snowballs at each other. I just remember itching really bad.
Why?
Huh?
Oh, it's so nice out. Ready to go back to work? Or do you want to stay in the snow all day?
Well, left a hanger out there.
What? Good thing there's no shirt on that. Weird. What?
See you in a little bit.
Brandon's just, where are you guys going to eat?
Huh?
Where are you guys going to go to eat?
Keep asking me. I keep asking him. I'm not getting a response or an answer.
Okay, well, wherever you guys are, Brandon's going to drop me off over there so it's easier. Yeah? So we can go get our nails done? Hey guys, so it is nighttime in Tucson and it is still snowing. It's a bit of a shock.
Yeah, I just wish it stick to the room.
I know. It just needs a stick and then it'll be perfect. But we have to go to Walmart right now, so we have to venture out into the snow. We shall take you with us. Let's go. Eskimo status installed.
Yeah, it's once in a lifetime.
I can't see anything. I'm hiding it underneath my puddle. Ew.
Holy crap.
Crazy.
Oh yeah, Fred.
It's awesome. We have a new addition to our family. I just found him in Walmart and We're taking him home with us because I will not leave him here.
His name.
His name needs to be something British because I automatically talked to a British accent when I picked him up.
What, Tom?
No.
Tom Hardy?
No.
British. So that counts.
Brayden, whenever we try and name something, he always blurts out like the most generic name. Like, and I'm like, no, that can't be it. Because I want to come up with something more unique. But literally, he thinks of a name in like 2 seconds. I don't even get a chance.
Well, because I just say Benjamin, Simon. Remember Ben when I named that cat Ben?
Yeah, well, that was a good one.
He was a beast.
He was a beast. Oh, I forgot the camera was right there.
His neck was really like that.
Was it?
All muscle. He actually had traps for a cat.
Well, whoever he is, we're taking him home. Let's go.